It's Evensron here, welcome. Here's Apple's new products revealed at WWDC this June. We have the new M2 15-inch MacBook Air. Apple claims it's the best 15-inch laptop currently out there. Actually, if you remember when MacBook Pro came out, it was only at 14 and 16 inch, and for some people the 14 inch screen was a little too small and the 16 inch was a little too big and too heavy. So now they have this MacBook Air at 15 inch, which is the perfect size, and it still comes at 11.5 millimeters thin, and it weighs only 3.3 pounds. It's still fairly thin, lightweight, and bigger screen. It comes at 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU. It features the MagSafe 3 charging port. It has 2 Thunderbolts 4 or USB-C ports and a headphone jack. It comes in 4 colors: midnight, starlight, space gray, and silver. It has this brilliant liquid retina display with an expanded 15.3 inch, and the price starts at $1,200, let's just say $1,300. It can get up to 500 nits of brightness and support up to 1 billion colors. It still comes with the 1080p camera for video call. The battery is now 12 times faster than the Intel-based MacBook Air with an 18-hour battery life. The next product we have is the Mac Studio. This is the Mac's first big update. It also comes with the M2 Max chip. It's up to 25% faster than the M1 Max. It can also render 50% faster than the M1 Max, which is actually great for motion graphic designers. So Apple also has added a new M chip to the M2 family, which is the M2 Ultra. M2 Ultra is like connecting two M2 Max together. It doubles the performance. It has up to 24-core CPU, 60-core GPU, and 32-core neural engine. That's good for video editors mostly because it can play up to 22 streams of 8K ProRes videos. The HDMI port can support up to 8K with 240 Hz frame rates. It also can support 6-port displays, XDRs, and it can project up to 100 million pixels. The next product in line we have is Mac Pro. Mac Pro comes with M2 Ultra. It has 24-core CPU and 76-core GPU, and it can support up to 192 gigabyte of unified memory. It can also support 800 gigabytes of memory bandwidth. It can also play 22 streams of 8K ProRes, but also support up to 8 displays instead of 6. If you remember, the Mac Studio supports up to 6 displays, but the Mac Pro supports up to 8. Now let's go to iOS 17. iOS 17 is coming in September, and Apple is also making a big update to the phone app. Let's talk about the personalized contact posters. It works with photos, emojis, and also paired with eye-catchy typography. You can customize the screen of your contacts. You can now decide the image, the font, and the color. There's this new feature called live voicemail, which will help you decide whether to pick up a call from an unknown number or not. If someone leaves you a voice message, you'll be able to see the live transcript in real time as they speak. They have this new feature called name drop. By bringing together your phone, you can exchange data. You can also use your Apple Watch to do that. We have this new standby feature. A lot of people are excited about it, where you can turn your phone basically into a clock. You can customize it. When you rotate your phone horizontally, it can turn to different clock style. You can choose what you want to display, but the way it displays the time make it look like a clock. And now there's no need to say, "Hey Siri," you can just say Siri. And if you're giving Siri consecutive comments, there's no need to say Siri again. We say it once, you give it a command. You can also give it more commands without having the need to say Siri again. Just say one time. And again, the beta version of iOS 17 should be released in early July, if not already, and the full version will be released in September. And now Apple has changed the name of the Mac OS. Now we have Mac OS Somona. One of the features I like about the Mac OS Somona is the fact that your screensavers seamlessly can transition into your wallpaper as you log in. That's a feature I really like. You now have the ability to add widgets to your desktop from the widget gallery. Additionally, you can control various functions such as playing, selecting, checking, unchecking without having the need to install this particular app or widget that you're using on your desktop. And also without the need to install the specific app to your Mac, you can easily add your phone's widget onto your desktop. Apple Vision Pro. Apple Vision Pro is the new kind of augmented reality. With this new technology, you can experience digital content as if it was part of your environment. You can control the content effortlessly with your eyes, your voice, your hand gesture. And furthermore, you have the freedom to readjust the size of the content. Whether it's an app, whatever you're using, you have the freedom to adjust the size as large or as small as you are pleased. You can watch entertainment content such as movies, shows, and sports, and it makes you feel as if you were physically present or you were front row seat. Apple Vision Pro seamlessly blends digital content with your physical presence. The price of the Vision Pro is $34.99. Let's just say $3,500, $3,500. I know it's ridiculously expensive. It's pricey, but let's be honest, it's not for everybody either. And it will be available in the US early next year. If you guys love this video, like it, share it, comment so that you can help this channel grow. Thank you again for watching. Peace.